Hi, my name is Austin Webster, and we're coming to you from beautiful Osage Beach, Missouri, here at MarineMax. And today I would love to show you the 2018 Harris Grand Mariner 270. Let's jump on it. Starting here at the back, we've got the electric articulating telescopic ladder. Foot switches here on the Grand Mariner 270. Mercury 350 Verado. It's going to give you plenty of power, all the power that you need, and it's going to be very, very quiet. Tow point, if you're into tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, you can take care of all that stuff as well. Now, another amazing feature on the 270 Grand Mariner that this one is optioned with, it's got the stainless steel railing on the transom. So with these chains up, it's actually legal to ride on the back underway. Starting in the transom, we've got probably one of our more popular seating layouts on the Harris models, the single lounger. And what's great is it's practical in that you can move the backrest fore or aft. So if you want to lay out on the back, get a little sun. A great deal of storage down here under the seating, and finished storage over there with a drain. Here at the helm of the 270 Grand Mariner, we've got a very luxurious, comfy captain's seat, along with our Simrad unit and our Bluetooth capable stereo head as well. We got the analog gauges as well as all of our easily accessible switches over here on the starboard. Walk through, we've got cup holders strategically placed throughout the pontoon. Tons of storage down here. So as you can see, starting at the back, there's plenty of room for friends, family, socializing, hanging out on the water, whatever you need to accomplish. And as you start to look at the finer details, you can notice the two-tone upholstery as well as the UV protected vinyl. Now this is going to be great in helping you not stick to the seats if you're wet. It's going to stay nice and cool. And moving up here, we've got cup holders, extra cup holders, and again, plenty of storage under the seats. One of the things that a lot of people don't think about actually is enter and exit points on the boat. What's nice about the 270 Grand Mariner here is we've got two, one on either side, starboard and port, one in the front, and an exit on the back. Once again, my name is Austin Webster here at MarineMax Osage Beach. If you want to see this boat or anything else that we have to offer, please give us a call at 573-365-5382, and hope to talk soon. Thank you.